guys, today I'll be unboxing this Sunbeam mini percussion massager that is $59.99 right now in Amazon. So you get a really small box. So that is a really mini, and then open it. Let's go try to open this way. Maybe you guys can see. Pop it, pop the box. Okay, almost there. Come on. Okay, I just give up. Put it in there, and then you get to see these. Comes with a nice hard case box, which is pretty cool for a mini massager. They don't usually come with a hard case, and this one comes with one, so that is a good thing. The zipper is good, at least it's not so cheap. So opening and closing is pretty easy. There we go. Pretty easy, and then that happens, and then that's what you get. The manual is here, and then the charging cord is there, and then it comes with a fork. It is mostly plastic, and then the ball head, which is, I'm not sure what kind of material this is, but this is not completely plastic. And then the needle kind and the flat head. So there we go. And this is what it looks like. It is metal, which is pretty nice. It's heavy, so for $59.99, I guess at least it's not so cheap looking. And now let's go try and see and attach it. Pretty easy. It snaps really good in there, and it's, oh, okay. And then there is a charging port, which is USB-C. The good thing is it's using USB-C, so you can just use your own phone charger in case you lose that one. How long is this? I'm not sure. Let's go check that out. Nice cord. It's not the cheap kind, at least, so you can bend it without a problem. Pretty long. There we go. How long is this? About 2 feet? Maybe 3? I'm not sure. So this is the power button, and now let's go try, and then it lights up. You guys can hear. Pretty quiet. Easy to hold, which is a good thing. Nice. Not sure if you guys can see. Let's try that way. Okay, now adjusting. Just press. That's number 2. You guys can see the arm moving. And now let's go try to do the number 3. So that's how loud it is. It's pretty quiet, which is good. I'm sure. And now let's go do the number 4. I'm impressed how quiet it is. It's pretty quiet. And holding it is pretty good. It doesn't, at least this groove here. Now let me turn it off. So you press for 3 seconds and it turns off. And then there's this groove in here, so it doesn't make it slippery when you're holding. It's pretty nice. Again, this is a Sunbeam mini percussion massager, and it is $59.99. Do I think it's worth it with everything you've got based on the other massager that I got? It is worth the price, and I love how quiet it is and how powerful it is. It's pretty nice. But again, the real test for massagers is after 6 months, after you use it every day. But based on the quality, I agree with the price point, because I have used something similar and the same price range, and they have the same kind of material. But this one, what I like most is how quiet it is even after you put it on number 4, and how easy it is to operate. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to Yoni J. Make sure you guys hit the like button for more unboxing and initial review like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.